Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of the device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully uncharged battery on the AT&T Maestro Plus requires up to 65 minutes to charge from 0 to 50% and 160 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The AT&T Maestro Plus has a standby time of up to 320 hours and a talk time of up to 15.2 hours. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice, then select the settings icon. Select battery. Select the menu icon, then select battery usage. The apps and features that are consuming battery will be displayed. To view the battery usage details of a particular app or feature, select the app or feature under Battery Usage since last full charge. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen, select Battery Saver, then select Turn On Now. Battery Manager detects apps that are draining your battery and gives you the option to restrict these apps. Restricted apps may not work properly, and notifications may be delayed. Battery Manager is on by default. To turn on Battery Manager, from the battery screen, select Battery Manager. Select the Use Battery Manager switch. To access display options, from the settings screen, select Display. To reduce screen brightness, select Brightness Level, then select and drag the brightness slider to the desired brightness setting. To disable adaptive brightness, select Adaptive Brightness, then select the Adaptive Brightness switch. To set a shorter screen timeout, select Advanced, then select Screen Timeout. Select the desired option. To turn off AutoSync, from the settings screen, scroll to and select Accounts. Select the Automatically Sync data switch to disable AutoSync. Select OK to confirm. If disabling AutoSync, remember to turn it back on to allow apps to download new emails or social media posts. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar. If enabled, select Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to turn them off. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon. Then select Settings. Select Auto Update Apps. Select Don't Auto Update Apps, then select Done. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the notification bar twice, then select the airplane mode icon. Select Turn On.